this is Carla with WTI. I want to share with you guys this cool case from Speck products. Now this is the iPad 6 mini case. Color is the very red / slate gray. So let me show you some cool features that it has. So right away when you open it up, you can see that interior of it has that nice soft material that can protect the screen from the iPad from any scratches. It has the magnetic camera shield. So as you can see, I can open here, and then if you want it out the way, it sticks here with the magnetic. So that's nice because it won't be just like flapping around. It will be sturdy, stuck to the magnet. So it has an integrated holder for your Apple Pencil for the 2nd generation. So that's a bonus. And then it has that adjustable multi-angle viewing stand. So you can adjust your iPad however you like with this case, that's nice. And then, it has those little points here where you can adjust it and it would stay there. And then this is kind of like that portfolio. So you can clip it, when you're having it open or when you're gonna close it, you can clip it there. So your Apple Pencil will stay sturdy in there and everything will just stay nice and closed. And this fits very well in my handbag. It's not such a bulky case. It's very nice and sleek, and that's what I love. So if you're looking for a really nice case for your iPad 6 that has nice features like the ones that I talked about, I highly recommend this case from Speck products, and that is my point of view.